Hi guys, so I am back here with Benji and he is fabricating some bespoke scrub rails and sliders for a Toyota Hilux. Here's the Hilux and they are being bespoke made to fit this Fabrica 4x4 bumper. So this is one that Benji's made earlier. It's all bespoke made and he's going to tell us a little bit about it now.
Hey, how's it going? Yeah, so we're making what I would call here a scrub rail rock slider. The customer has requested protection for the vehicle. It's a working vehicle owned by a shepherd. She's out in the fields all the time, moving and working around livestock, gate posts, fences, in a muddy field. So this is the scrub rail. This piece here fastens to the bumper at the front, protects the side of the car. It then drops down, and this is the beauty of bespoke made. Like, there's options of a slider. They didn't want a step that you can catch yourself on your shin, the back of your legs. So she just wanted to protect the sill of the car. So the tube sits nice and neatly against the bottom of the vehicle. Chassis mounted, so it's nice and strong, but it's also bolted so it can be removed. It's not fixed permanently to the vehicle.
And do you send these away to be painted? Or?
Yeah, so these will be sent away to be powder coated. We've been playing over the last few years with the best finish for products like this. There's different paints and materials out there, but we're having a go with some powder coating options at the moment, and we'll see where they go.
And is that some of the powder coating, or is that Raptor,
these items here are actually been bought in from Europe, Eastern Europe, so they were made in Czechoslovakia. They're for a particular vehicle model on the Land Cruiser 150 series. They were powder coated, but the customer wanted a custom colour to match the car, so they've been overpainted. Those products over there have been brought in from Europe as well, and they're made in Poland. Those come factory powder coated. There's no modifications being done to them, so they'll be just literally fitted to the car.
And are these for a Defender?
Yes, so these steps we made last week, they were there for a Land Rover Defender 130 single cab. So we have the generic tubes made, and then we just cut them and modify them to fit the profile of the vehicle so that they sit nicely, and then make the brackets up, and then it can be sent away once it's fitted and powder coated.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. You got nice clothes and late night shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade.
We set the tube nice and close to the sill of the car, and then obviously it's got to come up and meet the tube that comes down the side of the vehicle. So we've fixed that one up so that it looks level. This follows the profile appropriately. Now we just need to join this up. Obviously something we need to take into account is that you can still open the door. So we set the vehicle on a hoist so we can open the door right up, and then I've got the tolerance to be able to bring tube work up into there, join it all up into one piece.
It's grumpy.
Go on then. Good boy.
Shoot him, pool, crack a jack, take off now, and don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. We got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there again. You can double down, throw some back, take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, where we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on